them completed.
Okay.
Adriana is going to give me, and Flor, they have one. No las encontré hoy, didn't find it.
Okay.
But I have 4.
Okay. That's
And if
progress.
they give me the 2, I will have 6, and I don't know who else should I give it.
Have you had a chance to look at some of the results?
Yeah.
And have you?
I like, yeah, Carmen and Antonio, like, they really use it for, like, collaboration.
Which teachers are you? Do you have class? Which of these teachers do you have class with?
Right now,
Uh-huh.
just Carla. And
Okay.
Wendy, Antonio, and Carmen have class with me.
Okay. So far, these two are looking like good choices.
Mm-hmm.
And why? Based on what grabbed your attention? What?
Well, I read Antonio, and he says that they uploaded like readings or information on the Facebook group, and then they comment. He asked the students to read it, and they comment that reading on classes. And I talk about that in my state review. And Carmen, well, she posts comments, questions, discussions, further explanations if needed, feedback, or for the practice material. Well, she used it a lot.
Mm-hmm.
Carmen,
So both of them use it where the students have to do some sort of activity outside of class in Facebook.
Yeah.
And both of them mention that they do activities in class related to what they do in Facebook. Is that true?
In class and, well, from Facebook and in class to Facebook, I don't know.
Or do they link what they do in class with what they do?
Well, it's because like here she says like during the practice on Facebook, we continue with our discussions for the definitions and feedback and for the practice.
So in here, is she using Facebook in class? Or what do they say? They continue with class discussions or further explanations if needed. Feedback and new further practice materials are discussed in the classroom as well. So it sounds like these explanations are in Facebook.
And then they
feedback and new and further practice material. Okay. Anything else that?
Does she use it for?
Or another question, another way I could ask you this is, why choose these two teachers over this teacher?
With Carlita, she only like use it for
Okay.
for English. Well, it seems like she used it like for other like purposes. So I don't know. And with Wendy, she wrote that it's like for readings mostly by taking them and well, I'm still waiting for the other to read them.
All right. Well, it looks like you have at least two possibilities here with these two. So let's wait and see. Hopefully, either today or Monday or Tuesday when you have class.
I can come to, even though it's not my transition, like on Monday.
Yeah, sure.
So we can decide and.
Yeah.
Well, I haven't checked my leave, but I will do it this weekend.
Okay, yeah. And if you have questions about that, we can discuss that either face to face or you can send me emails. But yeah, so let's plan on like next week. Hopefully,
so we can start
in the middle of next week, you can start really planning and maybe talking to these teachers about getting information for each of the
they
Facebook.
Can add me right to the.
Right. I'm assuming they agreed to.
Yeah.
Yeah. For you to. Okay. So yeah, from there you can then choose and start looking at the information and observing classes. Did you have a question about in your questionnaire about the frequency or how often they use Facebook, or did they mention is it something that they do continually or is it?
I didn't ask.
Okay.
So maybe I should ask him before. Well.
I think the first thing, the first step, as we talked about, I think last week, is to get permission for you to get into Facebook. So you can just kind of from there kind of see frequency.
And
right.
I can notice like patterns and then the interview
Right, and if they have any information, for example, like dates, like if they have assignments, you have this assignment, do this or whatever, then you can say, okay, coordinate your observations to whatever you have there. If there's something missing, then you might have to ask, okay, I'm planning on observing, what do you have coming up? When can I observe? That type of thing. But yeah, the trick is to find time that you can observe when they're most active in class with regard to what they also do with Facebook. So hopefully it's frequent enough that that won't be an issue then. Yeah. So, okay, well, sounds good then. Let's talk next week when you have the rest of your questionnaires, and just let me know, how, make a choice. I think you'll. I don't think you're gonna have a problem finding the teachers. How many more questionnaires are you missing?
Two.
Two more.
Maybe if I can find other teachers. Well, I have more here, so if I find other teachers,
okay. Yeah. Okay, sounds good then. Well, let's talk next week, and continue with your literature review.
Yeah.
Try not to, put that off too long, just because it's harder later on to go back and try to start cleaning that up. So. Okay. All right, Kellcy. Well, sounds good.
Teacher.
All right. Bye bye. Thanks. Bye.